Hi, this is Vengadeshan, Department of Chemistry, St. Joseph's College, Kadalur, Tamil Nadu. பிறவி பெருங்கடல் நீந்துவர் நீந்தார் இறைவனடி சேராதார் திருக்குறள். Hi dear students, now we are going to see an important topic in electrochemistry, that is Nernst equation and its applications. From the Nernst equation, how we are going to derive some thermodynamics parameters like equilibrium constants, Gibbs free energy. So you know that in electrochemistry we are using two types of cell. One is electrochemical, another one is electrolytic cell. For the electrochemical cells, the chemical energies is converted into electrical energy. For the electrolytic cell, the electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. In previous one, that is a spontaneous process, and electrolytic cell is a non-spontaneous process. Now we are going to derive the Nernst equation. It is the relationship between the concentration of the electrolyte to the electrode potential. By varying the concentration, how the electrode potentials are varies. Before deriving, we know that we well known about the thermodynamics equation, that is del G equal to minus NF E. And this you can take as del G naught is equal to minus NF E naught. This is for standard free energy. Gibbs free energy, that is equal to minus NF E naught. This one is minus NF E naught. So you can take this one is equation number 1, this one is equation number 2. From this, del G equal to del G naught plus RT ln Q. The Q is called as an equilibrium constants. Now substitute equation 1 and 2 in this equation. Now minus N of E is equal to minus N of E naught minus plus RT ln Q. And next step is the whole equation is divided by minus NF. Then now we are getting as E, that is equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln Q. By using this equation only, we are going to derive the Nernst equation. Now take a reaction, general reaction. So N plus, when you take one electrons, that is in the reduced form as M. Now we are going to write the equation for this reaction, that is E equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln of Q is an equilibrium constant. So for the equilibrium constant, we are writing as product of concentration of product divided by product of concentration of reactants. So here the product is M divided by Mn plus in the concentration form. We know that for the solid concentration you can take as unity. Then substitute E equal to E naught minus RT by NF 1 by Mn plus. This is a general form. You can write for this reaction zinc plus copper 2 plus fusible zinc 2 plus copper. This is in complete redox reaction. One species undergo oxidation, another species undergo reduction. Here you can write the equation for zinc as well as for the copper. First we are writing for copper E, this is for copper, equal to E naught minus RT by NF 1 by copper 2 plus. Because this is 1 because of we are writing as copper. So concentration of copper can taken as unity. Next for zinc, E is equal to E naught minus RT by NF 1 by zinc 2 plus. Yes, here we are zinc we are taken as unity. Now by comparing these two equations, that is EMF is equal to E naught of copper minus E naught of zinc. So what is the copper value? E naught of copper minus RT by NF ln of 1 by copper 2 plus minus zinc value is E naught zinc minus RT by NF ln of 1 by zinc 2 plus. Now you can write as this way: E naught of copper minus E naught of zinc minus, common you can take as minus RT by NF. This ln of 1 by copper 2 plus ln of 1 by zinc 2 plus can reversed as zinc 2 plus divided by copper 2 plus. So then E is equal to, that E naught is nothing but, this is we can take it E naught of cell minus RT by NF ln of, so zinc one is called as oxidized form by, that is an reduced form. We can write as ln is equal to 2.303 log. Then E equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF log of zinc 2 plus by copper 2 plus. Then you can substitute all the values. R is equal to gas constant, that is 8.314 joules Kelvin per mole. Temperature equal to 25 degrees Celsius. We can convert it as 298 Kelvin. F value is equal to 96,500 coulomb of charge. That is 96,485. You can take it as 96,500 as coulombs. Then E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by, for the general you can take as N log of zinc 2 plus by copper 2 plus. Here N value is 2 because 2 electrons are here, the N value is 2 because 2 electrons are involved, it lost and gain, so it is an E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by 2 log of zinc 2 plus by copper 2 plus. Now this is an Nernst equation for the copper and zinc reactions. This is an generalized form. Above that it is an oxidized, below it is called as an reduced form. From this Nernst equation we can derive the equilibrium constant also. How we are going to derive the equilibrium constant means, for the equilibrium constant, if the reaction is in the equilibrium, now the reaction is at the equilibrium. Now at equilibrium, what happens at equilibrium? There is no passage of current, then EMF is equal to 0. Then substitute above equation, E is equal to E naught minus 0. This can take it this way, 2.303 RT by NF log of oxidized by reduced. This oxidized by reduced we can take as in equilibrium as K. So it is E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF log of Kc. This Kc is called as equilibrium constant. Now it is minus E naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT by NF log of Kc. From that, E naught that is equal to 2.303 RT by NF log of Kc. So from the electrode potential we can calculate the equilibrium constant of that reaction also. You know that by using the electrical energy we are doing the work. So for that work the del G is equal to minus NFE. If it is del G naught is nothing but standard. For the standard you can take as standard electrode potential. We know that the E naught, in previous equation we had derived the E naught, then substitute minus NF. E naught value is 2.303 RT by NF log of Kc. That you can take as NF will be cancelled, minus 2.303 RT log Kc. This we can write in the general form del G naught that is equal to minus RT ln Kc also. So here from the electrode potential we derived the del G as well as for the equilibrium constants. By using this equation we are doing the problems. In next video we will see the problems. Thank you very much.